I'm going to show you guys exactly to download this. It's totally updated. So let's get right into the video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly to download it onto your device. No jailbreaking, no computers, none of that.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get unlimited coins on Webtoon. So as you can see, this is what we got right now, but I'm going to turn on unlimited coins since I'm in the Webtoon mod. And I'm going to show you guys how to download this mod so you too can get unlimited coins on Webtoon. So as you can see guys, it should be adding the coins to my Webtoon account. So let's see what happens, and it looks like it's working. Alright, 999 coins added. Alright, let's see what happens. They should start going up. Bang! Look at that! Unlimited Webtoon coins on my iPhone 2025. Let's get into this tutorial. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So all you got to do is go over to matrixmods.com and type Webtoon, and then go ahead and press on it, press download, and before it downloads, it's going to be a verification. This is the last step. You just got to download 2 apps, follow instructions. They're 100% free from official app store, so I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. And it's just going to say missing files or whatever, so you just want to download some of these apps. Doesn't have to be the same ones as me, but you can see Underdog Fantasy says down in room for 30 seconds, so I could do that. Family Island's a game. I got to reach level 11, so that's pretty easy. So just make sure you guys download 2 of the apps. You should be all set. Lucky match. So yeah, if you guys are desiring Webtoon coins in 2025, definitely try this out. It's super cool, guys. And you can see the mod settings, skip ads, anti-ban, some other settings in here as well that are gonna rock the boat for you. So hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. I'm gonna see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys. This is super awesome. And yeah, you don't have to jailbreak your device, obviously, which is a great benefit. So hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. I'm going to see you guys in another one. But yeah, tell your friends about it. This is wild. Actually works. No jailbreak is needed. So I'm going to see you guys later. And yeah, peace out, guys. This is so cool.